week 3 of our Empowering Dreams Giving campaign.
Let's find out what the SAC gym bleachers are used for.
Let's ask Coach Jeremy.
The bleachers in SAC are used for multiple events, primarily athletic events where we look to host our games for basketball and volleyball. But we also use the bleachers for chapel, assemblies, and even ceremonies like Lay Day.
Wow, so our entire school benefits from the bleachers?
That's why we want to really remodel and update our bleachers. It's been close to 20 years since they've last been installed and serviced, and adding some good upgrades and repairing the seats would help our school and our facilities for a long time.
Last school year, thanks to amazing donors, we accomplished a major project.
Let's hear from some lower school teachers.
Hello, I'm Mr. Knapp, the lower school music teacher. I was a student here at Hanalani back in the 90s, and it's really great to see that the bathrooms have been improved. It looks so much better, smells clean, fresh, and thank you very much for updating those.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Stoker, and I'm an alumni of Hanalani Schools. This summer was super exciting because we got brand new bathrooms, replacing the ones that we had back when I was a little kid. So it was super exciting, and I just want to say thank you to all of our donors for making this possible. It's amazing. Thank you.
Make your gift today at hanalani.org/giving.
Don't forget there'll be special prizes, so check your email and follow us on social media for updates. Stay tuned for more.
This is Piha.
And this is Jada, and we're signing off.